Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your environment and opening the editor now. If you use Gedit or VS Code, press Ctrl+ or Open Edit right arrow preferences to jump straight into Appearance. For terminal editors like Nano, open your home config file, /, nano-rc, and look for font or display entries. Once done, make sure you have permission to edit settings. If not, prepend sudo only when changing system files. This saves time and avoids permission errors while we change font size. Now you'll change the size itself and understand why each option matters. In GUI editors, move the font size slider or enter a numeric value. Larger sizes improve readability but reduce lines per screen. In VS Code, open Settings, JSON and set Editor. Font size, 14 because explicit values override defaults. For terminal editors, remember the terminal emulator controls fonts, so open its profile right arrow text and pick a size. Make sure to save and watch the live preview. This confirms the change took effect. Finish by saving your settings and restarting the editor so that changes persist across sessions. If you still see the old size, check for workspace level overrides or extensions that enforce a font size. Disable them temporarily. For terminal issues, verify the terminal profile is selected and not overridden by a theme. If things go wrong, you can reset user settings or remove the editor's config folder to return to defaults, but back it up first. This ensures you can undo changes safely and restore readability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.